This like a channel, guys. So, guys, I discussed one important topic about Google My Business option. So, in this Google My Business, how to utilize to generating get call option. Suppose you are promoting anywhere into your particular business, like in this business, how we can promote info using Google My Business option. So, how is happening in a particular call button in your particular website? First of all, open your Google My Business option. How we can open business.google.com. Once open this option, where is your Google Maps will be open here. In this, one of the best features is called Get Call option. Which option? Get Call option. So that is the purpose. Which one you can promoting here? Select the link here. In this, previous we discussed, will be promoting for link also. Now we'll be promoting for your call button. Anyone looking for your service, go to post option. What are the information adding phone number? Selecting post. What's the new post? Here we'll be selecting option name is called call now button. Selecting poster here and select your image will be here. So image purpose, exactly what are the folder you will be store the file. We can go ahead and select the image and upload them. So that all will be your particular option will be given to users generating traffic for your website is the first option. This will be get the call option. Is a completely will be having a call button purpose. So that is a using for in a particular things. So which are the content will be posting. Select here what are the content you will be post on select the image. Image is the major priority on your Google My Business. So when it is accepting your call button, it will easily getting for call to your particular customers. This particular search button we can sharing for social media also. People coming to will click the social media button. So same content will be here. So image not showing. Just when image will be showing, we can click once again into your social media button. So little bit time will be taken to showing image will be here. So we can post it here, select your page. So what are the page you will be promoting? Click for search option. You will be getting call your business by using social media also. What are the continue sharing on your call button? Everything will be support only for call button option. So anyone people will be searching this map. Suppose if you are going to this map will be here. What are the map will be show to the customers? Click for more. Map will be click here. So map this option. Right now will be close. Why? Because the Geo's timing will be here. So what are the posting you've done? Everything will be they will be show to the particular will be in this option. Any new post approval time will be taken some time. So in this post will be click for learn more. That is call your website. Now with this will be give the call button option. So this future we have to give the option name is called call button option. So this is the future will be activate in a Google My Business post option. Any post will approve will be within time is not it taking for some time to approve your post on your particular Google My Business option. So if you're getting calls through your website through your business, you're selecting Google My Business option, call button will be select. For your doubt purpose, I'll posting one more content here. So what are the content you will be post that is the most important for the to users click for your particular option. So that is the we can selecting here. So copy content call button very powerful to generating leads to the particular audience. Select your post option. What new will be select here. Post will be here and call button Here will be select your option will be there. So select your photo or video. So yeah, online. So select your particular Google My Business. Once you may upload, resize compulsory important. Select they will be here, resize it and click for publish it. So these are the method will be follow to get the call button on your particular website. Any question will be required, you can ask me to the my channel. This Rakesh, I'm always support you. So how we can generate the call through your Google My Business. If any unable to add the call button, any issues, we definitely will be resolved on a particular Google My Business. Definitely you will get the business call through your Google mapping listing. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.